Once upon a time, there was a 1965 Gretsch, but that beautiful bird does not sing. Why you not sing, huh? Aha! You has broken tube socket lug. That's terrible. And there's the broken lug. Gotta remove the chassis. Ta-da! There it is. We have 9 wires. Let's label them. That's better. Now, off to dig out the broken tube socket. Gotcha! Time to solder, 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 solder. Times 9. Okay, put it all back together. Let's see how it sings now.
It works!
Beautiful. Hope you liked it. Bye.